Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use your CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser to achieve that spotless glowing skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a spotless glowing skin by using the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. So if you want to have that instant, smooth, spotless, glowing skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching. The exciting product we are going to be talking about today is the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. This is a fantastic face cleanser and one of the highly recommended cleansers for anybody that wants to achieve a smooth, spotless, glowing skin. This CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser comes in 236 ml transparent bottle, just as you can see, and it has a pump cover, so you can easily press the pump to take out the product from the bottle. So this is exactly what the product inside looks like. It's a creamy and gel-like cleanser. The consistency of this cleanser is not too thick and is not that runny, so it can effortlessly spread on your skin or anywhere you want to apply it. So this CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser is fragrance free. It has little to no fragrance in it, and that is why it's a wonderful product for anyone with a sensitive skin, or if you're someone that is allergic to fragrance in a skincare product, then this is basically one cleanser that you might need to add in your skincare routine. So CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser is formulated with active ingredients like salicylic acid, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. So this is an excellent product for anyone battling with acne. If you're someone with an uneven skin tone, or you're battling with textured skin, dull skin, this is one cleanser that is basically going to help improve your skin. One thing a lot of people don't know is that this cleanser is actually suitable for both your face and your body. If you're someone battling with a rough, bumpy skin, this is definitely one cleanser that you need to add in your skincare routine. It's definitely going to help smoothen and glow your skin. So if you're purchasing the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser, best bet you'll be getting lots of benefits from it. This is a cleanser that is going to not only cleanse your skin, is equally going to help exfoliate your skin because of the salicylic acid in it. This contains chemical exfoliants, so it's going to exfoliate your skin without compromising or damaging your skin barrier. The good thing about this cleanser is that it's actually suitable for all skin types, especially for those with a combination skin like mine, or if you're someone with an oily skin or acne prone skin. This is definitely one cleanser I'm going to recommend you use or add in your skincare routine. It's definitely going to help improve your skin. It's also perfect for removing any form of oil, dirt, or makeup on your skin. And the good thing about this cleanser is that it's very hydrating on the skin. This is going to cleanse your skin without drying out your skin. If you're someone battling with pimples, acne, or breakouts on your skin, this is definitely one cleanser that you need to use. This is going to help treat your acne and clear out any form of blemishes on your skin. It's going to keep your pimples and acne in check. It also helps to improve dark spots on your skin. If you're someone with body acne or you have dark spots on your body, this is also a very nice cleanser that I would advise you get. So if you really want to achieve a spotless, glowing skin using the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser, there are certain things or precautions you need to take note of. You need to understand that it's an exfoliating cleanser, and that's the reason it contains 0.5% salicylic acid. So it's going to chemically and gently exfoliate your skin. So if you're using the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser, there is no need to use a face scrub. One mistake that a lot of people make is exfoliating their face while using this particular cleanser. This is going to help cleanse and exfoliate your face at the same time. So there will be no need for your face scrub or any other scrub that you want to use. This is going to help exfoliate your skin and get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin, the more reason why it helps with dull looking skin. So please avoid exfoliating your face when using the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. Is also an exfoliant. Over exfoliating your face can easily cause irritations on your skin. Another thing you need to take note of when using CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser is to avoid mixing or pairing it with retinoid or retinol. Using CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser in the same routine is definitely going to damage or irritate your skin. So you want to avoid pairing this or mixing it together with your retinol or retinoid or any form of retinol that you're using. So now let's take a look at how to use this CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. So according to the directions for use written on the body, it says that massage cleanser onto wet skin, rinse, avoid direct contact with the eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. So this is how to use the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. So now I'm going to show you guys how I use the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser to achieve that spotless glowing skin that you're seeing. So I started using CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser around February, not this particular bottle though. I've been using this cleanser for 2 going to 3 months now, and I actually started using this particular cleanser because I was battling with severe breakouts around that February March. Like, I was seriously breaking out and they were leaving terrible dark spots on my face. So I had to discontinue all the products I was using on my face at the time, and I was in search of skincare product that is going to help treat my tired dull looking skin and breakouts. So how I came about this CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser was through my clients. Like, I've recommended this particular cleanser for 2 clients that were battling with terrible breakouts and dark spots, and this actually helped to improve their skin. So when they both came back with their reviews, it just dawned on me, like, why not give this cleanser a try? So at the time I was just like, why not give it a try? Like, you're recommending it for people, why not try it out? So that was when I actually went to purchase this cleanser. When I got this newly, I was using it to cleanse my face both in the morning and night. So unlike most people, this did not actually sting my skin. Like, the first time I tried it out, I just had to wet my face first, then took a little amount of this and then massaged it properly into my face and left it on for a minute, then washed it off. It did not sting my face. My skin felt soft, smooth, is not drying on the skin. The hyaluronic acid in it and the ceramides will help to replenish your skin after cleansing or exfoliating your skin. So that is the essence of the ceramides and hyaluronic acid in it. Guys, I'm not even going to lie to you. After the first, second day, like on the 3rd day, I started breaking out. My breakouts got worse. It was actually terrible at the time, but I was just like, I'm not going to stop using this. I understood that my skin was purging at the time, so I was just like, I'm going to give this 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks, if I don't stop breaking out, I'm going to discontinue it. I actually continued using it. So during the 2nd week of using the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser, it was more like my skin was improving, but my forehead, the breakouts on it were worse. Like, I'm going to try and insert a picture for you guys on the screen. This was how terrible my face looked. It was more like this side of my face and this side of my face were improving, but my forehead was just breaking out. So after the 2nd week, I was just about discontinuing it. So I started using this only at night. In the 3rd week, my breakouts just disappeared. And the good thing about it was that it never left any dark spots on my face. It was more like my skin was already responding to the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. So you really need to have it at the back of your mind that you might experience skin purging if you're not used to using a salicylic acid. So one thing you need to have at the back of your mind is that your skin might actually get worse before it gets better while using the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. For some people, you might experience skin purging like I did, while for some people it might just be a stingy feeling. So you need to have it at the back of your mind that if your skin is actually purging, it might take a period of 2 to 6 weeks for it to get better. So this CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser is going to help clear your pimples, your breakouts, and any form of blemishes on your skin. Like, this is one cleanser that is going to give you that smooth, spotless, soft, glowing skin. This is a good cleanser for anyone battling with blemishes or dark spots. This is going to help improve your skin and tackle any form of breakouts on your skin. And if you're one of those battling with a textured skin, or you have a rough bumpy skin, this is also going to help improve your skin. If you really want to have that smooth, spotless, glowing skin, then use the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. Using this in your routine will give you that smooth, spotless, glowing skin. All you need is to be consistent with this product. It's not comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores or break you out. When you start using this cleanser newly, what it actually does is to bring out any breakout that you're supposed to have in a long time, and it will just tackle it at the time. And that is why you are experiencing skin purging, because of the salicylic acid in it. But after a period of 2 to 6 weeks, like, it's definitely going to start responding to your skin, and it's going to help smoothen your skin and give you that soft, smooth, glowing skin. You can use this on both your face and your body, but it's basically good for your face. So if you have acne, pimples, dark spots, and you're looking for a cleanser that is going to give you smooth, glowing skin, then go for the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. I got this at the price of 10,200 naira at Roban stores, so prices might still differ depending on your location. So this is a very nice cleanser to use if you want to get rid of your dull looking skin and achieve that spotless, smooth, glowing skin. So go get this and thank me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.